Every parent knows this struggle. Asking kids to brush their teeth twice a day feels like a daily battle. They brush for 10 seconds, they chew the brush, they just refuse completely. So today I'm testing a solution that claims to make brushing fun for kids. The Oral-B electric toothbrush for kids.
This electric brush super cool and I will actually clean my teeth twice a day with it.
Now let's see what comes inside the box. If you are new here, please subscribe, press the bell icon. Help me to reach 1000 subscribers. I review useful product honestly, especially things that actually make daily life easier. Today's video is especially for parents who want their kids to build good oral hygiene habits early. Let's be honest, most kids don't brush properly with manual brushes. No pressure control, no sense of time. Kids get bored quickly. Parents end up brushing for them, which isn't always practical. That's where electric toothbrushes comes in. Alright, we have a soft brush head, the electric toothbrush handle, and a charging base, and of course a user manual. They have even included some fun Spider-Man, four different ones that kids can put on the handle to customize it. So let's take a look at the toothbrush handle itself. The packaging is super cool. The charging base is completely wireless and totally safe for kids. No electric hazards at all. Now about the brush head. It's a replaceable head and you will want to swap it out about every 6 months to keep the bristles in good shape. There's a little washer they have included so that the head fits snugly on the handle without any gap. Once you lock it in place, it fits perfectly. When you turn it on, you will notice it has the two vibration modes that you can adjust. It's got a built-in 2 minutes timer by default, which is fantastic for making sure it's brushed long enough. The bridges are super soft and gentle on kids' gum. Unlike normal brushes, which are a bit stiffer and can be uncomfortable. Because it feels more like a fun gadget or a toy, kids are more interested in using it. They are happy to brush twice a day with it thanks to that 2 minutes timer. Charging is super simple. Just place it on the base and it's all set. It's fully electric and safe. No special indicator needed and they recommend about 12 hours for a full charge. And those stickers they have given you a dotted outline so you can place them neatly on the handle, whether it's a Spider-Man or other Disney characters, and it just makes the toothbrush more attractive for kids. This brand is used by most dentists worldwide and most trusted known brand. It has good features like kids sensitive mode, daily clean, 2 minutes timer, rechargeable battery lasts up to 8 days, 2 minutes, 2x per day, and fully waterproof handle. Everything you need is here for kids, even for adults also. We need to replace the head for adults. Let's compare and see. Price $1, $16. Bristles of this brush has stiffer, soft bristles. It has no built-in timer. We have to manually look at the time for brushing. It has a built-in timer, 2 minutes timer. It automatically turns off. It finds uncomfortable for brushing for kids' gums. It has a soft bristles that feels comfortable and built-in vibration feels more comfortable. Hanvika, which brush do you want?
I want this.
Go for the manual one.
No, I want.
Then you must brush twice a day without missing. Okay?
Okay. But this electric is super cool and I will actually clean my teeth twice a day with it.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Give this video a like and share it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.